So Datagaps offers end-to-end data testing. So the pipeline here represents a typical data journey covering key processes in traditional data warehousing. So while modern approaches have evolved, the core principle remains the same: ensuring trust and accuracy in decision-critical data. So at the beginning, you have the data profiling and quality monitoring. So data enters in various formats: tables, flat files, JSON, APIs. So we support Tableau and Power BI as sources. So we have around 20 to 25 key metrics per element. So null counts, distinct counts, and we detect anomalies by comparing the profile over time. Then is data quality and ETL validation. So applying the data quality rules ensures the data meets all the business requirements, detecting the null values, duplicates, inconsistencies. So we have a low code or a no code interface, depending on your preference, which simplifies the rule creation with SQL or Scala for advanced users. Our ETL validator replicates ETL processes, highlighting any discrepancies to verify accuracy before the data reaches the analytics. And then we got the quality monitoring and analytics validation. So once data is stored in the warehouse, we monitor quality scores from element to enterprise level, alerting you of any potential issues. Our platform enables visual and data level reconciliation across dashboards, ensuring that the analytics aligns with the source data.
For further questions, feel free to reach contact@datagaps.com. Request a free demo, scan the QR code below. Thank you.